If your Gmail inbox is getting flooded with junk mail, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete spam emails on Gmail quickly and safely so you can clean up your account and keep your inbox organized. This is a simple process and it works whether you want to remove all spam at once or only delete a few specific messages. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your web browser. You can use Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or any browser you prefer. Once the browser is open, go to mail.google.com. This will take you directly to Gmail. If you're not already signed in, Gmail will ask you to log in with your Google account. Enter your email address and password, then complete any verification steps if prompted. Once you're inside your Gmail account, look at the left-hand menu. This is where Gmail organizes your inbox, sent mail, drafts, and other folders. Scroll down in that menu until you find spam. Click on spam to open the folder. Gmail automatically sends suspicious or unwanted messages here. So this is the first place you should check when you want to get rid of junk mail. Now that you're in the spam folder, you'll see a list of messages that Gmail has flagged as suspicious. If you want to delete every spam email currently in the folder, click the checkbox at the top left above the email list. This is the master selection box, and it will select all the spam messages visible on the page. In many cases, Gmail may also offer an option to select all conversations in spam, which makes it even faster if you have a lot of messages. If you do not want to delete everything and you only want to remove certain emails, you can select the individual checkboxes next to the specific messages you want to delete. This is useful if you want to keep one or two messages that you think might have been marked as spam by mistake. Take a moment to review the emails before deleting them, especially if you use Gmail for important work or personal messages. After selecting the spam emails you want to remove, look at the toolbar at the top of the page. Click Delete Forever. This is the action that permanently removes the selected messages from the spam folder. Once you confirm, those emails will be deleted and will no longer be stored in your spam list. Keep in mind that deleting them forever means they will not stay in spam, so make sure you really want to remove them before clicking. If you're cleaning up a large number of spam emails, this can save you a lot of time compared to deleting them one by one. It also helps free up space and keeps your Gmail account easier to manage. After deleting the spam, you can return to your inbox and continue checking your important messages without all the clutter. And that's it. You've now learned how to delete spam emails on Gmail, whether you want to clear everything out or just remove a few selected messages. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy tutorials, tips, and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.